Hello students, today we are going to see about Window Movie Maker. Yes, Window Movie Maker is good for video editing, right? We can do editing and we can make movies, we can make our own stories, and we can keep it on YouTube, Facebook and many more places. And now and then we have seen that many of the people, they go online and they keep it their own tutorials over there, so that all we can do with the help of this Window Movie Maker. Window Movie Maker, you can get it online, right? You can download it from anywhere, right? So this is about it. First of all, we will see the components of it. As you can see the component, at the first we are having the title bar, then we are having the menu bar, and in the menu bar you can see many of the buttons, and you can see your home, animation, visual effects and many more. With that you can see help. Here you can see on the title bar the name of the program, and with that the name of the movie, that is my movie. By default it is my movie. You have to go for minimize, maximize, close, and yes, the file extension is .wlmp. yes, .wlmp is the extension, the file extension for it. Now we will see over here that many of the options, like your quick access toolbar, you can see in that quick access toolbar you are having some of the tools which you can, by default you are having, like save, undo and redo. You can do the changes, you can add it more over here, you can go for addition over here, right? Then next we are having here the buttons related to it, right? The control buttons which are needed. Then we have here the preview over here. If you want to see the preview, then you can see the preview over here. We also have here the timing, and according to that, if you want to see the preview in the full screen, yes, you can see over there. And then we have the movie control panel to move previous, forward, and you can play. And here you have the zoom slider bar, right? So, and even you can change the thumbnail from here. So let us start. This is your storyboard where you are going to work on it. Okay, so let us start. First of all, we will go for add videos and photos. You will see here the options, right? So first we will go for add videos or photos. Just click on it and you will get many of the photos over here. I have many of the images which I can select it. I will click on it and click on open, right? So you can see my storyboard. You can see my storyboard, in that many of the images are over here, right? Then we can also add the videos over there. So you can click on it and you can go for the videos. Like I have some of the videos over here. I'll just go for a short video which I have it. A short video, we will just see it over here and we will go for it. You can see now the video is also available over here, right? So yes, now here you can see that the play button is active. Previous button is not there. Yes, but for forward, the next frame, if you wanted, then you can go for it. Okay, and then yes, we are having here many of the options. Like if you want to play, yes, I will just play for the preview. I will click on play, and then I can go for the full screen. Okay, if I want to go for the full screen, I can go for it. I can go for the next frame. You can see that I'm going for the next and previous. Okay, and then I want to come back. I'm just coming back by pressing escape key. Okay, now what is there over here, right? So here you can see. Okay, it is going on, right? I'll just remove it, this video, and I will go for the another one. So I can remove it also. I can go for the selection and click on remove. Okay, and then I can add one more if I want to add it. Next is add the music. If you want to add music, if you have it from your own, then you can go for the add music from here. Okay, like here I have one narration of mine, so I'll just play it. Okay, so this is my narration which I have kept it. Yes, you can also keep the narrations over there. One more tip I can give it over here, that if you are making a PowerPoint presentation, and in that I have shown you, if you know about it, that you can turn it to images. So after turning to images your slides, you can do voiceover over here. Right, yes, you can record the narrations. You can see here the record narration option. Okay, next we are having, that is about the next part is of audio files, which I have told you. You can get it, the audio files, if you have it from your own, or you can go for by any other options which are available online. Also you can go webcam video if you want to go for webcam, if you want to do the recording. Right, I don't want to do any of the recording. I will just deny, and yes, I will come back. Next is record narration. Right, as I have told you, you can record it, or you can add the sound from your own. Right, you can add the sound. Next is the snapshot. Yes, if you want to take any snapshot, you can take the snapshots also. Now here these three options are very important, that is title, captions and credit. Title comes at the first, please keep it in mind. Title comes at the first and the credit comes at the last. Yes, you must have seen that in the movies the credits are written over there, that the director, who is the director, who has written, who is the playback singer, who is the guest over there. We want to thank the guest, that also we can do. So here I will just click on title, whichever the way you want it for the title. So for the title, yes, you want to give any title, you can give it over here. So I'm just giving over here the title. This is a tutorial for Window Movie Maker. When I'm writing over here, you must have seen that I can move it this part. Okay, I can make it big, small. I can even change the font over here. You can see here the color, I can change it. I want yellow color over here. Yes, I can give it. I can give the transparency if I want the transparency over there. Background color, I can give it if I want to give the background color. Right, by default it is as it is. Okay, so we will just keep it that same thing. Sorry, I came back over here. You can see now I'm just playing over here. Okay, I'll just click here and do the editing again. Yes, I've written. Now I will do the changes, edit the text. If I want to edit it, I want to go with the background color. You will see that when the background color is over there, you will see this effect. Okay, and now I can change the font color. I can go with black. I can go for the bold effect. Okay, many more things. Yes, you can do it over here. Even you can change the font size as you want it. Okay, now there is the more option, that is the effect. Right, you can see that the effect, as I will click, the effect will be according to it. You can give the effect like you are seeing in the movies, different movies, you must have seen the effect of it. Yes, you can give the effect there. Okay, so this is about it. Now the next yes, there are many effects. You can take any of the effect which you like it. I'll just play for you. Okay, you can see different effects are coming over here. Right, so different effects you can give it as you wish. Okay, and then the duration. Yes, how much duration you want it for the text to be appeared over there. Then you can give 4 seconds. Like I will play it again over here. Okay, 4 seconds I have given. If you want to give more than that, you can give it. Okay, so you understand about it, I think so, right? So this is about it. Now the next is how much time you wanted. See here, according to the seconds, it has been available over there. Next we want to do the editing. If you want to do the editing of the duration, as I've told you, if you want to more within 10 seconds, if you want more in that, yes, you can do it. Okay, background color I have told you at the first only. Now we will go for the next. Yes, now the next thing that we have to see is about the animation. Yes, different animations you can give it. Like here there are many animations which you can apply it. Cinematic, if you want to give, you can play and see the effect, right? You can apply to all. So yes, you will see that it has been applied everywhere. Yes, got it? You just see this, I have done apply to all. Okay, and the duration is given 1.5. okay, now with that, yes, you have the different options over here. You can see different options. I will just click on apply to all and play it again. Yes, you can see over here that different effects are being available over there, right? If you want to apply it, if you don't want to apply, you can go for the none and apply to all. Okay, now this is about it. Now I will go for this effect. You can see you can go for separately also for the pictures as you wanted. Okay, if you don't want to waste time, then you can go for apply to all also. Next is visual effect, how you want it, right? So which type of effect you want to give over there, right? Blue color, you must have seen that now it is available. The filtering we are doing, the filtering we do in our own movie, right? In own movies we do it. Yes, you just see, this is the way that how the filter is being applied over here. Now let us start. Just see. Okay, next now we will see. Okay, now we will see about the emphasis on narration. As I have told you that if you want to give the narration, if you want to give the music over there, if you want to emphasize on video, then you can give the video over there. Here they have given widescreen and standard. By default, we know that when we are going for a projection on cinematic way, then you have to go for the widescreen. It is not by the standard, right? So this is about it. Now the last but not the least, you will see the preview with the full screen. Yes, we can see the preview with the full screen. Then we also have the option of thumbnail size, extra large if you wanted, then you can go with extra large. If you want the small icons, yes, you can go with the small. Here you can see the views, different views. Yes, extra large if you want to do the slider, if you want to minimize it or maximize it, yes, you can move the slider. Okay, this is the thing. Next, now we want to see that zoom in and zoom out. Yes, you can do it, zoom in, zoom out. Now yes, again I will come back to the captions. Yes, we are having the captions also. Captions will be applied to any of the picture or any of the slides, like images also, or in between of the videos. If you want to give the captions, yes, you can give it. I will just give it. This is to explain about captions. Okay, I've written now. As I will write it over here, you will see again here it is available that added the text, right? You can see that added the text. You want to change the color of the text, you can change the color of the text. You can see that it has been changed, giving the transparency. If you want to give the transparency over there, then if you want to change the size of it, yes, you can change the size of it. Again the same thing if you want to give it over here, right? different methods are there, different ways are there where we can see this all things. Okay, and the time and the duration, yes, you can give it. Okay, now we will go with the option of music. I don't have the music over here, but yes, in the music here we have the option of fade in and fade out the volume of the video or maybe the music, that we can do it. Okay, so yes, I want to change the color of this. I'll just go for the outline size. Yes, you can give the outlining also over there. Outline color you want to give it, yes, you can give the outline colors also. You can see the preview of this. I'll just go directly to that part. Okay, we are having the text, but we have moved out over here. Yes, you can see here now the text. I've given the text duration, as I've told you that you can give it the text duration over there. Okay, so let us see. You can see that I've given the effect also, right? So the cinematic effect you can give it over there. And last but not the least, that is about the credits. Yes, you want to give the credits here. Credits, in that I will write it that it is created by me. Right, so this way, yes, you can complete it, your work. You can see the preview. Here also you can give the effect as you want it. Okay, so you can give the effect also. And last but not the least, yes, here we will see that how to save it. Here you can even rotate it, the images or any of the thing. Yes, you can rotate it. You can see the rotation. I'll just play from here. You can see the rotation I'm doing. Okay, you can rotate it also. And then yes, if you want to remove it, as I told you, you can remove it. You can select the all things, then it will be selected from here. Next, the movie theme, if you want to select it, then the movie theme also you can select the movie theme which you wanted, like here. Okay, then we will go. Okay, here save movie, it is very important that how you want to save it. If you want to save it in your computer, yes, you can go for the computers. If you want to go for the high definition, like for the YouTube or anything, then you have to go for a high definition. You have directly the option also of YouTube and that all. YouTube, Facebook, I will just click on YouTube, and in that the selection, that which size you wanted, which size is there, and according to that you can see the storage capacity also. So you can see the storage capacity and you can do the selection and save it directly over there. You can share it over there. Then many options are there, Vimeo and yes, many more. I will just go for here the option of for computer. We also have the option of Android phone in that large size if you want it. Then for that also it is given that how much it will store it. Then if it is medium size, then what is the pixels and what is the display size. Okay, so this is about it. Okay, hope you all have understand. Thank you. Please, if you like it, then please give a like and share it with everyone, and please go for an bell icon, that is subscription. Thank you.